Want to showcase client logos, partners, or sponsors on your website? A scrolling logo gallery, also called a logo carousel, is a sleek and professional way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to create one step-by-step inside the Wix editor.
Open your site in the Wix editor and go to the left side menu. Click Add, Gallery, and choose Grid Gallery. Drag it onto your page and place it where you want your logos to scroll. Click on the gallery, then go to Settings. Under Layout, change the layout type from grid to slider. Now your gallery becomes a carousel with smooth scrolling between logos. Click Manage Media and upload your logo images. To get the best results, use images with the same aspect ratio, ideally all transparent PNGs or white background JPGs with the same height. This keeps your logo slider neat and evenly spaced.
If your logos have different sizes or backgrounds, prep them first in Canva or Photoshop so everything looks consistent.
Now let's get the layout right. First, decrease the gallery height and stretch it to full width, just slightly less than full screen, around -50 px, so it doesn't overlap the header. Now customize the gallery. Go to Settings, Customize Layout. Turn off titles and descriptions if you don't need them. Under Design, remove any hover or overlay effects so logos stay visible. Then adjust the spacing, borders, or corners to fit your branding. Click on the gallery, then open the Settings panel and head to the Layout tab. Let's walk through a few key adjustments to make this work as a smooth scrolling logo slider. Under Image Display Settings, set Gallery Ratio to Manual. This lets us control the size without distortion. For thumbnail resize, choose Fit. That way, none of your logos get cropped. Then scroll down to Slideshow Settings. Turn on Loop Images to keep the carousel running endlessly. Enable Slide Automatically so it scrolls on its own. And toggle on Continuous Scroll for that seamless sliding effect. Now fine-tune it. Adjust the slide speed to match your site's rhythm, and increase the spacing slider to give each logo a little breathing room.
And that's how you build a scrolling logo gallery in Wix. It's the perfect way to boost credibility and showcase who you work with, all without custom code. Want more tutorials like this? Hit subscribe and check out buywixtemplates.com for ready-made templates that help you build faster. See you in the next video.